In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the green line on PS5. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, a green line on your PS5 screen typically indicates one of three things: a minor HDMI handshake glitch, a faulty cable, or a failing graphics processing unit. So, sometimes the PS5 and your TV stop talking correctly, especially with the newer HDMI 2.1 features like variable refresh rate. So what you can do is turn off your PS5 completely, unplug the power cord from the back of the console, then wait 60 seconds. Then reset the cables, and while waiting, unplug both ends of the HDMI cable and plug them back in firmly. Then plug the power back in and turn on the console. If the line is gone, it was just a temporary sync error. Now, if you can't see the menus clearly, you may need to force the PS5 into a lower resolution. So turn off the PS5, hold the power button for about 7 seconds until you hear a second beep. Then connect your controller via USB and select Change Video Output. Set the resolution to 1080p instead of automatic or 4K, and HDCP to 1.4. Now, if the line disappears, your HDMI cable or TV port likely can't handle 4K 120Hz signals anymore. If the green line is flickering, moving, or accompanied by weird blocks, you can try a different TV or a different monitor. Or what you could also do is disable HDR. So to do that, go over to Settings, then go to Screen and Video, then go over to Video Output, and then go over to HDR and go ahead and turn that off. And yeah, it's as simple as that. So right now we're on adjust HDR, but go to HDR and switch it off, and then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.